Now next question, CBSE 2015 3-mark question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial this, then form the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. Alpha and beta we are forming for 4x square plus 4x plus 1. In the two zeros we are forming a new quadratic polynomial. So sum of the zeros formula minus b by a minus b by a is 4. So minus 1. Alpha plus beta. Alpha beta c by a. What is c? 1. A is 4. So 1 by 4. So alpha plus beta minus 1 and alpha beta 1 by 4. So to form a new quadratic equation whose roots are or whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. So for that we are finding sum of the zeros. 2 alpha plus 2 beta, take 2 common, alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1 equal to minus 2. So we have found sum of the zeros. Next, product of the zeros. So 2 alpha into 2 beta. 2 2s are 4 alpha beta. So 4 alpha beta is c by a. Yeah. So 1 by 4. So this is cancel it 1. So we have found sum of zeros and product of zeros. So required quadratic polynomial is x squared minus sum of the root x plus product of the zeros. இங்க நீ just இப்படியே எழுதிக்கலாம், sum of zeros and product of zeros. So equal to x squared minus இதோட ஆன்சர் minus 2x, இதனோட ஆன்சர் 1. So equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. So this is the answer for this. Now CBSE Allahabad question 2019. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial this and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Zeros வச்சு வர ஆன்சரும் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் வச்சு வர ஆன்சரும் கண்டிப்பாக ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். அந்த ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் தான் we are finding. So now we have to find the zeros of p of y. இங்கே x இருந்தால் p of x, variable y means you are writing p of y. ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக p of y equal to 0 அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எடுத்துக்கணும். ஏன்னா zeros வேணும் அப்படின்னா அந்த polynomial equal to 0 அப்படின்னு சொல்லி we are factorizing. So 7y squared minus 11 by 3y minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. Take 3 this side. So 7 3s are 21y squared minus 11y minus 2. So divided by 3 அப்படிங்கிறப்போ இது இங்கே வந்துடும் இல்லையா. So it becomes 0. So 21y squared minus 11y minus 2 equal to 0. So multiply பண்ணுறப்போ you are getting minus 42, உள்ளே minus 11. So you can take minus 14 3. Minus 14 plus 3 minus 11, when you multiply you are getting this one. இங்கே 21 இருக்குது. ஸோ 21y, இங்கே 21y, y எழுதணும்னு கூட அவசியம் இல்லை. 3 1 time, here 7 time, then 2 time, here 3 time. So 3y minus 2, then 7y plus 1 equal to 0. So which implies y is equal to 2 by 3 and y equal to minus 1 by 7. So they are the zeros. இப்போ இதனுடைய sum of the root வந்து sum of the zeros கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So sum of the zeros equal to first 0 plus second 0 equal to take LCM. So இங்கே into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So 7 2s are 14 minus 3 by கீழே 21. So 11 by 21. 11 by 21. Next வந்து product of zeros equal to the 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 7. So minus 2 by 7 3s are 21. So this is product of zeros. This you mark it as 1. Now using coefficient we check the answers. So sum of the zeros using coefficient formula என்ன minus b by a, or you can write x coefficient by x squared coefficient அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கூட எழுதிக்கலாம். Equal to minus what is a equal to 21, b equal to minus 11, c equal to minus 2. இங்கே இதை பார்த்து நம்ம எழுதிக்கிறோம். a equal to 21, b and this is c. So now you substitute. இங்கே minus 11 இருக்குது, இங்கே ஒரு minus இருக்குது. So 11 by what is a 21. So 11 by 21. இங்கே ஒரு 11 by 21. Then product of zeros formula என்ன c by a, sum of the 0 minus b by a, product of the 0 c by a. What is c? Minus 2 by what is a 21. இங்கே இருக்கு பாரு minus 2 by 21. So mark it as 2. So from 1 and 2 the relationship between zeros and coefficients verified.